In this tutorial, I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process on how to access, register, and use Lumen5 to create engaging videos for your content creation, either for your YouTube channel or for your social media platforms or thereabout. So without taking much of our time, let's get started. So to start with, you can come to your Google over here and just search for Lumen5. And just like so, you will see it over here, lumen5.com. Okay, grow your brand and drive demand with video at scale. So you can see different kind of things, different kind of demos as regards this very interesting platform that gives you the opportunity to create exceptional videos. Now to start with, all you need is to sign up for an account. If you already have an account, you can come over here to login. Now you click on sign up. So once you sign up, you meet in the other side. So let me quickly register and sign up, and then I'll see you at the other edge. Okay, so once you log into your account, this is where you'll be brought in. Okay, so you can click on create a new video over here. Just click, and you'll be prompted here to choose from available template with recommended colors, fonts, and styles. You can just choose from any of them. So you can just click on anyone to preview. There are multiple of them. You can see recent templates, new templates, rectangular templates. You can see them arranged over here. And as you hover over any of them, you'll be able to have an idea into what it does. For example, this one, as you just hover over it, depending on the network that you have, you'll be able to see what it does. All right, so you can preview it as you so wish. Then just click preview, and you can see the preview, how the text and the entire video is being arranged. If you like this, you can go ahead and use this template to start from template. And one thing you should even pay attention to is that down here you have the option to change the format from the 16:9 to 1:1. If you are developing videos for Instagram, use 1:1, or 9:16 if you are doing YouTube Shorts, or 9:16 also for publishing on Instagram or thereabout. But then the one that we are going to go for is for YouTube channel, which is 16:9, which is the one we are going to select. So you've just seen the preview of the template. You can just listen to it. So you can see the arrangement of the text and all that. So if this is what you like, you can just go ahead and say use this template. So once you're brought in here, this is the main platform where you will edit and create your videos from Lumen5. So at the top here, you just have to start by creating a project. So you give this project a name. So let's say my top 5 video editors 23. Okay. So the first thing you need to know is that you can create videos from URLs. Okay, if you have a URL of any blog post that you've created or someone created that you can rewrite because of copyright issues, you can bring it in here and just paste it, and you can generate videos from URL. Okay, and if you don't have a URL, if you have a particular text that you want to generate the video from, you can just go ahead and paste it, copy it somewhere and paste it here, because this is the storyline, this is the storyboard, everything is being written here. And once you paste everything, you can just come over here and say generate the video, and it's going to generate the video over here. And you can go ahead and do most of the editings and do the touchings over here. Okay, so you can see now, welcome to Lumen5. Prepare your script, which we have done. Build your video with scenes by just clicking on the plus sign. Populate your scenes with media, and then lastly, you can you can just go ahead and create. Can't find the right image? No worries, we have a bunch of them. So you can just go ahead. So these are the different tabs. Okay, the media tab, the icon tab, the music tab, the style tab, and the format tab. I will show you in detail how to use all of them. And then over here, you have the option to record a voiceover. If you want to record a voiceover that goes with this. Okay, so let's start by copying a text and pasting it here. I have this text on my top 5 video editors for 2023. So let's copy it directly. Just copy and then come back to Lumen5 and just paste it here. So once you paste in the text, you have a bunch of options. For example, you can see to the edge over here, you can drag and move any content, any text across. Here you can see according to this line, you can move it to anywhere. But I don't want to move this, I just want to bring it back. And you have the option to use this plus sign to add a new scene if you want to add a scene. Or you can go ahead and edit the text directly, just clicking. I'm just going to give it some edits, try to see that everything is in order. For example, the spelling mistakes, any kind of grammatical error, you correct it directly from here. And once you are done, you are certain like what you have here, you can just go ahead and click on convert to video, and it's going to convert everything into a video. Just this simple clip. Let's convert this into a video, and I will see you at the other edge. Okay, so now that it has converted the video, it has created the video, we can see it over here. We can just go ahead and have a preview of it. Okay, we can see all the slides that we have, all the scenes have been captured. So you should look at the initial one. The initial scene was is this one. Here are my top 5 video editors for 2023, and we can preview it from here by just clicking on preview. And I think this looks cool. Okay, and 3 seconds is good for this much of a text. You can just select this if you want to highlight it. Okay, to increase the sizing, so you can come to the text size over here and click on this big one. I think this is big enough. We can just leave it at this one, and then we can play around with the font. You can see how smaller different font styles, and over here you can highlight some part of the text if you want. So assuming I want to highlight my top 5, I just want to highlight it, and you can choose the color from here. The color is the default, this one, but you can change to other colors, maybe white, maybe this color. This is default. If you want to use other colors, you have to subscribe. Okay, but then I think the highlighting is okay, so we can see my top 5, and it's not too visible, but I think at this point maybe I don't need to unhighlight it. I can select and unhighlight everything because it's not so visible. So I can clear highlights, and you can see now it's back. So here are my top 5. I just need to increase the sizing, increase the size of this also a little bit, and I think that's perfect. You can swap the design in case if you are not comfortable with this design. You can always click on swap design, and you can select from the range of scenes, swap scenes. Okay, you can see different kind of scenes, and you can select from any of them. And I think so far the one I have is cool for me. I think the one I have is cool, and or maybe you can go with this one. I think this one is cool. You can select this one. So 5 video editors for 2023. So you can click to preview one more time. You can see 5 video editors for 2023, and at this point, if so we can go to the next one. So this is the first one. Okay, everything is okay. We can check the second one. This is Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, you quickly pick this image. Is it an image or a video? Let's check and see from the preview. Adobe Premiere Pro. You can see this is the first one, Adobe Premiere Pro, and I think this is cool. Next is we have the description of Adobe Premiere Pro. Create flawless productions and bring your storytelling to life. So let's preview this and see. And I think this is so plain. It's too plain, so let's try to add something. So if you want to add a media, you can come to media over here. You can add a video from range of videos that we have. You can just go ahead and search from here, and maybe search something like editing. Okay, and you can see something like create flawless production, and you can add something like this or something like this if you want, or something like this, depending on what you are targeting. So you can add something, maybe you can add something like this. You just click and add it. Okay, so let's say we add the video on this one, and let's click on preview, Adobe Premiere Pro, and then go to the next one. Maybe we want to add an image to this. We can just come all the way to uploads, and we can decide to upload something. We can create a folder, so we can just have all our media arranged in one folder. So we can say 5 video editors here, and click on OK. So all our uploads are going to be on this folder, 5 video editors. So we can click on upload media, and just we can drag and drop. Also you can select all of them. Assuming I want to upload all of these, I can just select all of them and then upload. Okay, so I can add them to a specific folder. For example, right now I'm on this folder. 5 video editors, so everything is going to be on these 5 video editors. You can add some tags for ease of recognition, and you can clean up audio in cases when you have uploaded an audio. Okay, you can go ahead and say upload, and everything is now in our media. So if you want to add a given image, for example, this is DaVinci Resolve, so let's go down to DaVinci Resolve. I think this is too plain. You can easily drag and drop DaVinci image here, and you can see it has changed everything. We can preview a little bit and see. So this is DaVinci Resolve, and I think this is cool. The time in 3 seconds is okay. So let's look at this one. DaVinci Resolve 18 is a major release featuring cloud-based workflows, so we can preview this. And I kind of don't like this image, this video, so I can come back to media and replace it. Then come back to library and the major. So we can put in something like this. You can put in something like this. Okay. So we can see DaVinci Resolve 18 is a major release featuring cloud-based workflows for a new way to collaborate remotely. We can click to preview. I think it's kind of cool. Okay, so we can go to the next one is Kdenlive. And Kdenlive, this is too plain. Let's preview and see. Yeah, this is too plain. So let's add up something. We can go back to uploads, the same folder. This is a Kdenlive file, so we drag and drop. And we can see Kdenlive is now added, so we can preview also. Check out the timing. 3 seconds is okay. You can go to the next one, a powerful free tool. Okay, this is describing Kdenlive, and I think this is cool. If you preview, I think this is okay. All right, so the next one is Camtasia Studio. This is too plain. You can add something to replicate Camtasia, like this one. You can drag and drop this image. You can preview to see this is very okay for Camtasia Studio. So this is all in one screen recorder. So let's preview and see. Screen recorder, I think this is not so cool. So let's select it, come back to library, and we could try to upload something like this. I think this is cool. Okay, so we can add this one. I think the text is okay. So the last one is CapCut. Do we have anything on CapCut? Let me preview and see. I think this one is okay like this. We can just leave it. Then have something like whatever your needs are, CapCut is the app for you, so we can preview. Yeah, so just showing that CapCut is an app, and this is showing an app, even though we can replace it with something else. We can come over and just select any. Okay, this one is good. So we can just click to replace it. Whatever is your need, CapCut is there for you. So thank you for watching. And this doesn't sound like a thank you, so let's go back and search for something like thank you. Let's search for something like thank you, and we could check around and see. Thank you for watching. Okay, so I think this is okay. So we can preview also. Thank you for watching. I think this is good. All right, so the last one is follow me on Facebook at this. So we can say follow me on Facebook. We can put something like subscribe. See if we can get something. Okay, I think this is okay. So you can select this one. And say follow me on Facebook and this. Okay, so this is basically it. So whatever you want to edit, for example, if you want to add comment, you can come over here. You can want to leave a comment on a particular slide, you can come over here. And if you want to drag and reorder, you can bring to the bottom, or you can move reshuffle upward, so just like so. You can change their position. You can move up or down also from this arrow. Okay, or you can make it take it up. The same thing, you can reshuffle, and you can copy a particular scene. Okay, copy it somewhere. You can see you have now copied it here, but I don't want it duplicated, and you can delete directly. And over here you can add sub scenes if you have other scenes that are related to this. Okay, so you can easily select and add them. So this is basically how to generate. Okay, so this is the first one, storyline and media. The next one is the icon. Okay, so if you want to add some GIFs, you can come to GIFs. There are multiple GIFs. If you are interested in adding GIFs to your story, anywhere you can add some GIFs to make it more meaningful. All you need is just to drag and drop it in. To check some recents, if you have used some of the media, like the ones we have used, you can check recents from here. And the ones you have started, if you start some to be your favorite, you can always find them over here. Okay, so it's very easy to navigate around. Next is you have the icons. You can have multiple icons, but the only caveat to this is you have to be a subscribed member before you can use the icons. There are lots of them, and if you want to upload any, you can go ahead and upload your icons as well. Maybe from websites like Pixabay, you can be able to see some elements and icons that you can upload. And then we have music, which is one of the most important part. Music is there. There are tracks that you can try depending on what kind of message you are trying to send. This is heavy business. If you play to have a preview, and you can see this is energetic feature. And I think I kind of like this one. So you can preview across. If you like any of them, you can start it directly right here. You can start it and add it to your favorites. If you want to add it to a particular scene or to entire scene, you can just go ahead and click on it to add. You can see it has been added. Only that you need to control the volume, because right now this is a background music and the volume is a bit high, so you can reduce it to something like 30, 35 is good. You can preview. And I think it's a bit louder, so let's take it to like 15. Okay, so let's say later on we'll confirm this and see, because we're going to add some. So if you have a background music that you have saved somewhere, you can always upload also from here. You can upload your music, or if you have started anyone or recently used the ones you recently used, you can find them here. Or the start ones, you can as well find them over here if you have made any of them start. Okay, so now here you have styles. This is one style. You can change to different style. This is droplet style, and you can change it to this one depending. It's just a one click and all the palettes are going to change everything. Okay, so you can see it's now this style, or you can go to this petal. Okay, and everything is going to change within one click to taking these palettes. Okay, these are color palettes. Okay, so but I think I prefer the first one. The first one is kind of cool, and you have other fonts which are for paid users. Okay, and other settings like scene transitions and all that. You can enable all that if you want. So let's say we go with this one. And then lastly, we have the formats which we have defined earlier on. You can always define from here. This is landscape 16:9. You can go for 1:1 ratio, or the vertical one, which is for shorts and for stories on Instagram, depending. And you can vary the resolution, but for this tutorial, you can go up to 720p, which is HD, and it's very okay for you. The only downside to it is that you have the color, the watermark at the end of the video, so which is okay for now. At least if you want to subscribe, you can go for as high as 1080p HD. But for YouTube, for Instagram, for TikTok, you can do your videos at 720, and it's very, very cool. So you can see these are some of the things I've just explained. So once you check around and you are starting with everything that you have, the next thing is to import a voiceover. You can see you can import a voiceover of what you have. You can make the voice on your own, record the voice on your own, or you can record somewhere and import it into the media, which I will show you both ways. So the first one is to record the voiceover directly. So you can just click, and you can see now you can set the microphone directly down here. So you can see, select your microphone. If you have multiple of them, mine is Rode NT USB, so you can go ahead and select this one. And once you click on this, you're going to start recording. So you can get ready to record your voice. You can record and re-record if you want. But then for now, let's try this one. Record voiceover, and we're going to read based on the text on the screen. Okay, so let's start. 5 video editors for 2023. The first one is Adobe Premiere Pro. Create flawless productions and bring your storytelling to life. The second one is DaVinci Resolve 18. DaVinci Resolve is a major release featuring cloud-based workflows for a new way to collaborate remotely. The third one is Live, a powerful free and open source cross-platform video editing program. The fourth one is Camtasia Studio, which is the best all-in-one screen recorder and video editor. The last one is CapCut. Whatever your needs are, CapCut is there for you. Thank you for watching, and remember to follow me on Facebook at Epic Mentorship. You can see now we have recorded everything, so we can try to listen to it. And if you want to listen to it, just to preview, right now it is processing, so we can hear what we have recorded and see whether it's okay or not. Fine. Video editor for 2023. First one is Adobe Premiere Pro. Create flawless productions, video storytelling live. Second one is the Resolve 18. The Resolve, the major release during cloud-based tools for a new way to collaborate remotely. The third one is Live, the powerful free and open source cross-platform video editing program. The fourth one is Camtasia Studio, which is the best all-in-one screen recorder and video editor. Last one is CapCut. Whatever your needs are, CapCut is there for you. Thank you for watching, and remember to follow me on Facebook at Epic Mentorship. So I think this is cool, and I like what I hear. If you don't like, you can retake the recording, or you can remove the voiceover and start over again, or you can save and insert. For this case, for this tutorial, at least I want to save and insert, and everything is now cool. If you want to record from an outside, so you can see your voiceover applied to video successfully. Yeah, you can close on this. And if you want to record, if you want to import another voiceover, if you want to record outside, you can record outside also with another app, and then you can import it and synchronize, and you have it recorded, and you have it at the background. So the only thing I may have issues with is the background music. I think it's a bit louder. I can make it's down to maybe 12. Okay, so I think everything is okay. You've checked through. If you want to preview the entire thing, you can come all the way here to preview. 5 video editors for 2023. The first one is Adobe Premiere. Create flawless productions and bring your storytelling to life. The second one is Resolve 18. And I think this is cool. The preview is kind of cool from at least the first few scenes that I can see. So the next thing is we can always save our work, which is auto save. Of course, everything is saving automatic. But then you can always come down here to these 3 dots. You can save as new templates. If you want to save this as a template that you can always refer to when you want to, maybe you want to use it as your own brand to create videos in this format, you can always save this as a template. And if you are not, you can just go ahead and publish. If you are starting with everything that you have over here, you can just go ahead and publish. Okay, so right now it is rendering, so we can just give it some seconds to finish the rendering process. You can check the transcript, you can resize anything if you want, and you can copy the link and share with people, so people with the link can do something. This is private. This video is private right now because it has not finished the rendering. You can just give it some seconds to finish the rendering, and then we can have a test of it and conclude the video. So I think this does it for this tutorial on how to use Lumen5 to create videos, fantastic and engaging videos. Just go ahead and use your creativity, use the different templates available, and see how you can create your own fantastic videos with this very platform. Thank you for watching. Please remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons. That means a lot to me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye. I'll play the finished product to mark the end of this tutorial. If you are interested in creating videos from text or script, also there's another website that you can use for free, at least for now, and that website is called Pictree. I made a complete video about it. You will find it at the top here, and I'll link it up in the description. So enjoy watching and see you around. Okay, so right now everything has finished. You can see it has downloaded the video automatic for us. You can see it over here. This is the finished product. This is it. You can just click to open. You can see it over here. So you just click let's play the finished product. 5 video editors for 2023. The first one is Adobe Premiere Pro. Create flawless productions and bring your storytelling to life. The second one is DaVinci Resolve 18. DaVinci Resolve is a major release featuring cloud-based workflows for a new way to collaborate remotely. The third one is Kdenlive, a powerful free and open source cross-platform video editing program. The fourth one is Camtasia Studio, which is the best all-in-one screen recorder and video editor. The last one is CapCut. Whatever your needs are, CapCut is there for you. Thank you for watching, and remember to follow me on Facebook at Epic Mentorship.